Hey everybody, Brooke here again in the kitchen with yet another tip for Cookiepalooza 2020, and this is all part of Brookie's cookies preparation. This is actually about storage. It's a great year-round storage solution. These are just two individual little units, and they're deep enough drawers for me to hold some of my absolute essentials. This is my decorating stuff. These are kind of my sprinkles, and it brings me great joy because for me, I want to make the cookies look really good as well as taste really good. In the top shelf, I keep all of my sanding sugars, which are all different types and all different colors, and I love the variety. And of course, cream of tartar is very important when you're making meringues and things like that. And then on the bottom, I do my specialized sprinkles, which are usually like special shapes or, just sort of unusual, a little bit more flashy. And if you wanted to hone in on this a little bit, you can tell that's just a small sample of the sort of special sprinkles I use. And then I also, in this drawer, I always make sure I have on hand what I call my holy trinity of oils that you need, essential extracts. Vanilla extract, which is for, 70% of the cookies basically. Almond extract is really important for flavor in a lot of the cookies I do. And then of course you really do need some peppermint extract for those candy cane types of cookies. And then sort of along all the vowels and sometimes Y, this is my odd one out, but it's mint extract, which is like a spearmint. This one is a nice one too. So, hope you like that tip. This is a great way to keep everything tidy and organized. Thanks for watching. Bye.